Ever wondered how moss gardens can transform a simple space into a serene sanctuary? Moss gardens, with their unique allure, require minimal upkeep and flourish in a variety of climates. Moss gardens, an emerging trend in gardening, have the potential to transform any space into a tranquil oasis. So why should you consider a moss garden? Moss gardens are a gardener's best friend for many reasons. They retain moisture like a sponge, helping to prevent soil erosion and maintaining a lush green landscape all year round. But perhaps the best part is their low-maintenance nature. Forget about mowing or regular watering. These green carpets require minimal care. With all these benefits, it's clear that moss gardens offer a unique and sustainable alternative to traditional lawns. Are you intrigued and want to start your own moss garden? Let's dive right into it. First, select the right moss for your garden. There are thousands of moss types, so choose one that suits your climate and aesthetic preference. Next, prepare your garden area. Moss prefers damp, shaded areas, so a spot with indirect sunlight is ideal. Clear the area of leaves and debris, then compact the soil for a smooth surface. Now it's time to plant your moss. Simply lay the moss on the soil and gently press it down. Water it regularly, especially during dry periods. Remember, moss thrives in humid conditions. With these simple steps, you can start your very own moss garden and enjoy its serene beauty. Moss gardens are truly a hidden gem in the world of gardening. Their lush, velvety greenery is a sight to behold, and the benefits they offer, from easy maintenance to environmental friendliness, are truly remarkable. Starting your own moss garden is a delightful journey, a chance to create a little oasis right in your backyard. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas.